Alrighty, on to problem 5. Keep up the great work, boys and girls. You've only got a few more problems left and then you're done. Make sure you stay with me though, okay? This problem has a couple different parts, so make sure you listen carefully. And remember, you can always come back to listen to the instructions again. So this first part of the sentence says, Emma has 8 pennies on her desk and 5 in her purse. 2 students drew pictures below to find out how many pennies Emma has. We're going to label their drawings with D and P for desk and purse, okay? Then you're going to write a number sentence to go with each drawing. So remember, she has 8, let me get my highlighter. She has 8 pennies on her desk and 5 in her purse. So 8 are in her, trying to help you out. 8 are in her desk, 5 are in her purse. The first thing you've got to do over here is label which one is desk, which one is purse. Same thing over here, which is desk and which is purse. After you label, you need to write a number sentence. Remember, we're putting them together. You'll write a number sentence for this picture and you'll write a number sentence for this picture, okay? Make sure you label and write a number sentence for each of these pictures. I'm going to draw a line here because they're like 2 different things, right? You need to label and do a sentence over here, label and do a sentence over here. Then for B, you need to tell me true or false. Do you have to start with your 8 pennies and then add your 5? So if you think yes, you have to start with your 8 and add your 5, you'll circle true. But if you think, no, you could also start with 5 and do 8, it doesn't matter how you add them, you'll circle false. So either yes, you think you must only start with 8, or false, no, you could do it a different way too. So you'll circle true or false, and then you're going to use pictures or words to explain how you know. So listen again, you've got a few things to do. First, label and number sentence for both of the pictures up top. Label and number sentence here, label and number sentence here. Remember, these are your labels. D for the 8 on her desk, P for the 5 in her purse. And then tell me, true or false, yes or no. Can you only start with 8 and add 5 more? Then explain how you know. Remember, you can always come back here to listen again, or if you're at school or at home, raise your hand for a teacher or an adult to help you break up these parts of the problems, okay? Good luck.